Hey everybody, Carter here from the Polonia Center. Got a nice fun project for us to do today while we're out of school on summer vacation. Launchers. Alright, we can use this for a ping pong ball, a cotton ball. You can put glitter in here if you want to surprise somebody at a party. Anything safe, anything that keeps us out of trouble, right? So for our launchers, we're gonna need a cup, any size cup will do. A balloon, one that stretches good, all right? Scissors, and tape. Any type of tape will do as well. So, first thing we're gonna do, we are gonna cut a hole in the bottom of our cup. So we're gonna cut out this bottom part, all right? So I'm just gonna poke a hole in here. Be safe when you do it. Please don't cut your fingers off. Then I don't know what you're gonna do after that. Can't do nothing without a finger. So once you get a hole in there, if you want, you can just use your hand to tear out the rest of the bottom. A little bit easier, a little safer. All right, so boom, you can see right through it, right? Got the whole thing out. So we're just gonna set that aside for a minute. Next, we're gonna take our balloon, make sure it stretches, no holes, no tears, no rips, no nothing in there. And we're just gonna tie the bottom part, just here, into a knot. You don't have to put a whole bunch of knots or make it all crazy. You just need one simple knot. Pull real tight. And there you go. So you're already halfway through. So it was real simple, real easy, real fun. Now you're gonna take your scissors again and you're gonna cut the top part of the balloon. So you're just cutting this upper area right here, all right? And you don't have to worry about where you cut it or how you cut it, it's fine. Just cut it to the best of your ability. I'm just gonna cut mine all the way across. Now that I got that, move all my garbage out the way. I'm gonna take our cup, take the balloon up area that we just cut, and put it right over the bottom. All right. So this is what we have so far. See that? Now, our tape. Take our tape, and then it's just gonna pop off, right? So we're just gonna take our tape, and we're gonna cut a piece just to wrap around the balloon and keep it secure on the cup. As soon as I get it off my finger. I don't like this tape. I'm gonna use this tape. So we're gonna take our tape, just cut a couple pieces, keep our balloon to stay on our cup, all right? So we gotta put this back on there. Now we got our tape, and we just wrap it around. See that? So I just lay it on there and bring it all the way around. Take another piece so the other side doesn't come up. And that's it. We got our launcher. So let's try it out. We'll put a couple cotton balls in there. We'll see how it do. Here we go. Have fun, be safe.